Samsung has finally introduced a significant design change with the Galaxy Z Flip 7, proving that earlier leaks regarding its appearance were inaccurate. Previously, the Galaxy Z Flip lineup lagged behind its competitors, particularly Motorola's Razr series, which consistently stayed ahead in innovation. The Galaxy Z Flip 6, launched last year, felt outdated when compared to the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. However, with the upcoming Z Flip 7, Samsung has made a much-needed shift. According to information shared by Android Headlines, the new design resembles the Razr 50 Ultra, making the device more competitive in the foldable phone market. While earlier rumors suggested a familiar foldable design with a similar cover display, Samsung appears to have taken a different approach this time. The Z Flip 7 is expected to feature a significantly larger 4-inch cover display, a notable upgrade from the 3.4-inch panel found on its predecessor. This brings it closer in size to the Razr 50 Ultra, improving usability and functionality. Although details about the cover display's refresh rate remain uncertain, Samsung has traditionally opted for a 60 Hz panel. However, given market trends and consumer expectations, there is speculation that Samsung may upgrade to a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate. The internal display is reported to measure 6.8 inches, maintaining the immersive viewing experience. One of the biggest uncertainties surrounding the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is its processor. Various sources have suggested different possibilities, with some indicating that Samsung may equip the device with the Exynos 2500 chipset. Others believe that the Exynos variant could be reserved for a possible Galaxy Z Flip Fan Edition. Meanwhile, there is no solid confirmation regarding whether the Z Flip 7 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the newly rumored Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. However, reports about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 strongly indicate the inclusion of a Snapdragon 8 Elite, making it likely that the Z Flip 7 could follow suit. Another major improvement with the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is its display quality. For years, Samsung has faced criticism for the visible crease in its foldable displays, especially when compared to Chinese competitors, which have managed to produce nearly crease-free screens. This suggests that the Z Flip 7 could finally deliver a vastly improved folding experience. Along with better crease management, Samsung is also introducing a new, more durable hinge for the Z Flip 7. Over the past few years, Samsung's foldables have been rated for approximately 2 lakh folds before signs of wear and tear become noticeable. While this number is respectable, some competing foldable devices have demonstrated even greater longevity. The updated hinge design is expected to enhance durability and ensure a smoother folding mechanism, potentially extending the device's lifespan. As Samsung prepares to unveil its latest foldables, anticipation continues to build. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to be officially announced in July 2025 alongside the Fold 7. The starting price for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is estimated to be around $1,099, making it a premium offering in the foldable segment.